to thank you all influencers for doing, I don't know if you guys saw this, but last year they rated this festival that's coming up the #1 festival in the world, and I think it's because of the influencers, the amount of people in this city that support it and have made this festival in Miami the #1 in the world. Thank you so much for coming. I hope you guys enjoy such a great time. Have a lot of food, drink a lot of drinks. Thank you so much for coming.